This is your WW3 news of a Monday morning. I don't think many people know about this, those who live in Europe. The 28th of April 2026 has come into force a regulation regarding a type of standard of cable which manufacturers who sell their products in EEC countries, 27 of them, they should adopt. This has been many years for a case for the mobile phones. Now, a standard is pushed on to laptops and tablets and other devices of electronics, which European Union has adopted the USB-C format standard. And you go, hurrah, fair enough. No more strange cables from this and that like it was once upon a time with mobile phones, like 10 years ago roughly, or even more. The problem is, people have purchased after that date that so-called computer, or let's say laptop. To their surprise, inside a box they didn't found the AC adapter, because obviously the manufacturers in their hubs or the shops that took it out, and then they make you pay separately. Is this a case of the new format which has been adapted for laptops and tablets, or is just for existing models with the old standard? The fact is, people didn't find that particular AC adapter for that particular model of computer inside the box, but it has to be specified whether it contains it or not, this device. And the fact is, people will have to spend probably €60 on a new one, after you spent probably €1,000 or €1,500 on a really good fucking computer, and go, there's no fucking AC adapter or charger to this fucking thing. It's one of those scams, let's say, in the name of ecology, less e-waste and stuff like that. I think more money comes out of people's pockets instead of talking about ecology here.